So I'm sat here now with our chief electrical scrutineer and our chief technical scrutineer, and I'm going to ask them a few questions to get their opinions on certain subjects. The first one is actually the firewall. Ulf, what do you think the firewall has to achieve?
The firewall actually has to separate the driver compartment against hot surfaces.
And Jürgen, what's your opinion on this?
Yeah, I think that's true, but it should also insulate the driver from the high voltage components.
And what does the rule say?
The rules say the firewall has to be separated the driver from any possible contact of fuel, oil, or cooling water.
Okay, and what is your opinion on this, Jürgen?
Yeah, that's true, but the rules also say that that the firewall has to be out of aluminium, so with a certain thickness, so 0.7 millimeters, and it has to be grounded also to the low voltage system. So then it's for sure that the driver is insulated against the high voltage components. So this side with aluminium is to the high voltage components. This side with the insulating material is to the driver's back.
Okay, great. Moving on, let's try a different subject. So we've been through a lot of different areas in the technical and the electrical inspection, and I was just wondering, after they get through technical inspection and or electrical inspection, what comes next? Are they free to go to the dynamic events, or tell me more about this?
Now, if if the team comes to ask for mechanical scrutineering, basically the team have 1 hour time to present the car for the mechanical scrutineering. That means the team must be really prepared for this test. For electrical cars, it's little bit different, because at first they have to go to electrical scrutineering, and if they get the sticker for electrical scrutineering, we classify this car as safe, as electrical safe, and we start with mechanical scrutineering. After mechanical scrutineering, the other tests are possible, like tilt table test and weight test and noise test and brake test.
Okay, great. And what's your opinion on this?
Yeah, it's true. The first test is the electrical scrutineering. So if the car survives all of this, it's electrical safe. Anyone can touch it without danger. But also we have a rain test to ensure that if it's rainy condition or wet conditions on the track, that the car is still electrically working correctly. And we are also testing in the queue to the dynamic events some parts like the emergency switch offs or also the IMD as presented earlier.
Okay, so basically you're saying for electric cars, you're testing the cars continuously throughout the event. So it's not just the technical inspection, they will continuously be being checked until the event is over.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, and is it the same for the combustion cars?
The same for the combustion cars. In the queue for the dynamic events, some scrutineers are there, and they check something on the car, like the attachment of the wheels, and is the driver right belted on, and it's the helm closed, and this kind of stuff.
Okay, thank you very much. So at the end of the day, we work very hard to make sure that our prototype race cars are as safe as possible, and we hope that our students take it this seriously, and we look forward to seeing you at the event this year. Thank you.